Hi, I'm Dave. This is Dave Splains, and this is a Cat 5e cable that I bought at Goodwill when I was broke and having my first kid. And the reason why this is significant is because I was not paying attention to. Okay, so how can I phrase this? So, uh, I didn't pay attention to the fact that uh, internet speeds were going up and that I didn't have to sign a new contract in order to get the new internet speeds. That's basically what it is. And I mean, there is a difference between like just making that assumption and whatnot and going on the internet to the actual website and seeing, oh, wait, the lowest that they offer is this much. So I had made the assumption that I had to sign a new contract in order to get the upgraded speed rather than just going and saying, oh, they don't even offer that speed anymore because it's been that long. So it's my fault. I should have been made aware, letting myself know. Uh, but I was actually talking to my boss, and he's just wondering, like, why are you having all these computer problems and everything? What's your internet speed? And I said, roughly 70 gigabit speed, you know. And he goes, well, that's kind of low. No, that's what I've always had. I've had that speed for 7 or 8 years now. Well, this is a homemade piece of garbage that I got it again at Goodwill. You can see it's broken. The shielding is all broken, chafed. I'm sure it looks like a lot of the wires shielding on the inside is really rather worn out as well. I mean, look at this. This is the connector. The strain relief broke here, and you can see, like, well, you can't see because I can't focus that well. But yeah, it's just completely rotted. And I think I bought it this way, and I think I paid about $5-6 for this. I thought it was a really good deal at the time. It was like 50-60 feet, I think. You know, that's Cat 5e. It's able to go up to gigabit speed. This is Cat 7 cable. It is capable of 10 gigabit speed. And I believe I bought this for $7.99. It's a 30 foot long cable, which is great for most situations. And I got a 50 foot for $15, I think. I'm going through my entire network trying to look at buying a new modem, buying a new router, buying, all sorts of different things do I need to get. And when it came down to it, all I needed was a new cable for $30, a 30-foot cable for $7.99. Now, that's not the price currently. I believe I bought that during Prime days, but it is, I just checked it, I think it was $12.17. Still $12 to fix an entire network versus I think I was looking at about $600 to $800. So, yeah. Don't worry about the price so much when you could just do this. It's Amazon Basics. It's great. It's working fine. So, all right. That's it. See you in the next one.